Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.2. Question: for what values of natural number n 4 to the power n can end with the digit 6? So first you write it 4 to the power n. What is the factor of 4? 1 into 4 and 2 2s are 4. So we can take it as here 2 to the 2 into 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 to the power whole n. So you can split and write it 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n. So 2 is a factor of 4 to the power n. So see here example, if you take it as 4, n equal to 1, 4 to the power 1, that is 4, that number is end with 4. And if you take it 4 squared, that number is 16, so that number is end with 16. So it is satisfied. So 4 to the power cube equal to 64. You see that last digit only it ends with the 4 and 6. Okay, therefore what we can say, 4 to the power n is always even and n with 4 and 6. Clear? Next question, m comma n are natural numbers. For what values of m does 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m ends in 5? So here you see 2 to the power n means what? 2 to the power, if you take it n equal to 1, that is 2. N equal to 2 means 4. So it is always 2 to the power n is always even only. So here you see 2 squared equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. It is even. But 5 to the power m is, 5 to the power 1 is what? 5. 5 to the power 2, 5 squared equal to 25. It is only odd. So if you multiply this 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m is always what? Even only. And it is end in 0. Here you see, if you take it 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power cube, that is 8 into 125 equal to 1000. Like that, 2 to the power square, 2 squared into 5 squared also 100 only. So what our question? That natural numbers for what values of n's in 5? It cannot ends in 5. So 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m cannot end with the digit 5 for any values of m. Understood? Next, find the HCF of these two numbers. First, which one is the greatest number? You write it. Greatest number. What is the Euclid division lemma? A equal to BQ plus R. So greater number write it and smaller number. So it is multiplied by quotient is 1 and remainder is this. Okay, the remainder is not equal to 0. Again you write it this number 2,52,525. You write the remainder here. Remainder how many times? 2 times. That is quotient is 2. Remaining is 30,303. This is also not equal to 0. Again do it up to that remainder is 0. We have to do the HCF. Already we know that. So next write it 30,303. So how many times 20,202 into 1 plus remainder 10,101. This is not equal to 0. Again you do it 20,202 equal to 10,101 into 2 plus 0. So the remainder is 0. We can stop it. So the HCF is what? 10,101 is HCF. Next, 13,824 equal to 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b. So we have to find out the exponent a and b. So for finding this, we have to use factor tree method. So last digit is 4 means it's a prime 2. So 2 into how many times it will come? So you divided 13,824 divided by 2. So you get it 6,912. And again 2 is the last digit, again prime factor 2. So 2 into 3456, again 2 into 1728, again 2 into 864. Already you know the factor tree. For 2 into 432, 432 again 2 into 216. Here the factor is 2. So 1, 2 is 2. Here 1 is small number compared to 2. So you put 0 and after put it 8. Okay, 2 into 108. Again 108 prime factor 2 into 54 and again 2 into 27, 3 into 9 and 3 into 3. So how many times 2 in this? 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 3. So A is 9 and B is 3. Next, if P1 to the power x1 into P2 to the power x2 into P3 to the power x3 into P4 to the power x power 4 equal to 1,13,400. So we have to find where P1, P2, P3, P4 are primes in ascending order and x1, x2, x3, x4 are integers. We have to find out the value of P1, P2, P3, P4 and x1, x2, x3, x4. So first what the number? 1,13,400 prime factor 2. So 2 into 56,700. You divide it. 1,13,400 divided by 2, you get it 56,700. Again that prime factor is 2, 28,350. 2 into 14,175. 14,175 is equal to 3 into 4,725. So again 3. So 3 how many times? First 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15, again 22, 7 3s are 21, 5 3s are 15. Like that you have to divide. So 1775 again 3 prime factor. So 3 into 525, again 3 into 175. 175 how many times? 5 into 35 and 35 5 into 7. So here 1,13,400 is equal to what? 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1. So what is x1? P1 is what? 2. P2 is 3. P3 is 5. P4 is 7. And x1 is 3. X2 is 4. X3 is 2. And x4 is 1. LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is fundamental theorem? So every natural number except 1, it can be factorized as a product of prime factors. Okay, so 408 you take it, you do the factor tree, and 170 also do the factor tree. First let us see 408. So 408 means 2. So last digit is 8. So we can factorize with the 2. 2 into 204. Divide. 408 divided by 2, you get it 204. And 204 again 2 into 102. 102 again factorize 2 into 51. 51 divided by 3 is what? 17. So 3 into 17. Like that 170 factorize with the 2, divide by 2. So 2 into 85 and 85 5 into 17. So write it 408 equal to what is the power 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1. 170 also 2 into 5 into 17. So HCF is both common. Compare with that common to least power. So 2 to the power 1, 2 cube. Which one is the least? 2. And what is the common other? 17. So 2 into 17 equal to 34. And next LCM. So greatest power. Compare. So 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3 means greatest power 2 to the power 3 only. You write it. Again 3 to the power 1, 3 into 5 into 17. So that answer is 2040. Therefore HCF is 34 and LCM is 2040. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. First we have to find out these numbers LCM. So 24. 24. So prime factor take it to 2. So 2 into 12. Again 12, 2 into 6. 6, 2 into 3. Next 15, 3 into 5. 36, 2 into 18. Again prime factor 2 into 9. 9, 3 into 3. So first you write it at 24 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3. 15, 3 into 5. 36, 2 squared into 3 squared. So how will you find out the LCM? Greatest power. So here you see 2 squared, 2 cube. So greatest power 2 cube. And 3 squared, 3 squared into 5. So multiply 8 into 9 into 5, 360. So what we have to find out? The greatest number consisting 6 digits. What is the greatest 6-digit number? That is 9,99,999. So you divide with this 360. So you get it a divide, you get it 279 is the remainder. So with that you have to subtract from that 9,99,999 minus 279 because that is remainder, no? So subtract it, you get it 9,99,720. This is the greatest number, divisible by 24, 15, 36. The smallest number when divided by 3 numbers such as 35, 56 and 91 leaves a remainder 7. So first we have to find out the prime factorization for these numbers. So 35 prime factor, that is 7 into 5. 56 put a prime factorization or factor tree, you find out this 7 into 8 only. So 8 is the composite, so make it a prime, so 2 into 2 into 2. And 91, 7 into 13, both are prime. So next of LCM. LCM means what? Here first common element, what? HCF, that is 7. So you write it that first. After write 5 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 and 30. If you multiply you get it 3640. Since it leaves remainder 7. So we need the number, required number 3640 plus remainder add it 7. So the smallest number is 3647. Find the least number that is divisible by the first 10 natural numbers. First we will find out LCM of 1, 2, 3 up to 10 numbers. So first we take it to 2 prime factor 2 into 1, 4 2 into 2, 6 3 into 2, 8 2 into 2 into 2, 9 3 into 3, 10 5 into 2. Remaining 1, 3, 5, 7 are the least prime factors only. You write it 3, 5, 7. So LCM is 2 into underlined digits are common. So you write it only 1, 2. Remaining that 2, 4 in 4, 1, 2 is there. And 8 also 1, 2 is there. So that is 2 common, 1, 2 and remaining 1, 2 write it. And 3 also here 9, 3 into 3 and 3 is the 3 into 1 factor. So both 3 you write it only 1, 3. And again 9, 1, 3 is there, 1, 3 write it. Remaining 5 and 7 you write it. So multiply with these numbers you get it 2520. Therefore, the least number that is divisible by the first 10 natural number is 2520. Understood, students? We will see in the next class. Thank you.